Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put your HyperX Cloud 3 in pairing mode in 2026. Now to begin with, the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless uses the 2.4 GHz USB dongle and not the standard Bluetooth for gaming connections. So first of all, you just have to press and hold the power button on your headset until it turns on. You should see a light indicator showing that the headset is now active. Now, once this is done, you just have to simply plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC, console, or your device. In most of the cases, the headset is automatically going to pair with the dongle within just a few seconds, and for this, no manual pairing is required in the normal situations. But if the headset doesn't connect, you just have to simply press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED starts blinking. This indicates that the headset is in the pairing mode now. So when it does, simply unplug and reinsert the USB dongle, then simply turn the headset off and on again. Wait for a few seconds for the connection to establish. Once connected, the LED light should stop blinking and remain stable. When it does, it simply confirms that your headset is paired and now it is ready to use. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.